So hi everyone, I'm Kayum, and in this video we will going to create an animation using CSS. You can see on the screen that a button which is having a name of move is moving in the square in the linear motion. So this is what we are going to create in this video. So let's start with the HTML page. Now in this section, what we need to first do, we need to create a container. So let's create a container, and in this we will create a button. In this we will going to create a button. So let's create a button. Now here the button is done. So let me again give it, let me refresh it. So here on the screen you can see that we have created a button which is having a name as move. So let's center all the body elements. So for this we will going to use flex. So display flex, then flex direction as column, then align the items at the center. Now justify contain center. Then at the last we will give the margin of the top as something 200 pixel. Yeah, we are done with it. Now move towards the container tag. Now we need to create a square. Okay, so we will do it using our CSS. Create container square. Okay, so for this we will select our container tag, container division tag. So in this we need to mention the width and height of the container. Width 150 pixel, height 150 pixel, and background color. Yeah, so you can see on the screen that we are done with it. 150 pixel. Now we will style our button width, let's say 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. So yeah, we are done with it. Okay, so now we created both the button and the container also. So now the last step is that we need to mention our animation name, interval, and the type of motion it will take. So for this, let's say animation, which is having no name as pro. Now a time interval, and then animation type is an out. Okay, then the time for what time up to the animation will be run, so it will be run up infinitely. Okay, now using the keyframes, then mention the animation name which is we having pro. Now let's say 0%, then 25%, then 50%, then 75%, then say 90%, then 100 pixel. So now here in this we will mention our transform, then translate 3D. So at the initial position it will be at 0 0 for all the x, y, and z direction, z coordinate. For 25% it will move from here to here. So for this we will need to increase our x coordinate. So for this we will increasing our x coordinate as 100 pixel. Now when it moves in the 50%, translate 30 pixel. Now it will be same at the x direction, and it will move from this position to the bottom. So for this we will increase our y. and Z as it is. So now when it when it translate to the 75%, we will increase uh, we will increase we will keep y only, and x and z coordinate will be 0. So when it reaches to the 90%, it will be again at its initial position. Okay, from 100 pixels also, let's do it 0 0 0. So in this way we can move this. So you can see that it is moving in this way. So this is how we can create this animation. Now just we need to uh, give the box shadow 0 0, and then radius of the shadow as 30 pixel. Done. Now same do with the button also, 30 pixel radius. So now we have successfully created our animation. Yeah, you can see that. So this is how we can create using HTML and CSS. So hope guys it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.